Grabe guys, the view here is so perfect. Like, I don't have anything to say, but chef's kiss. Mount Lantad, hindi lang pala siya pang Sea of Clouds. Perfect din siya for sunrise. At syempre, pang move on. Parang dito lang yata hindi ako nasaktan. Kasi si Mount Lantad, hindi toxic sa relationship. Charot. Kailangan nyo lang mag-hike ng 4 a.m. para makita nyo yung perfect tandem. Sunrise at Sea of Clouds. Worth it, promise. So this is Mount Lantad guys. We made it to Mount Lantad. Diba? Yan sila. That's crazy. Ang taas nito. But this is all worth it. Nakita nyo yan? The Sea of Clouds. Siya nanghihiya magpakita. Grabe guys, this is pure bliss. Yung panoramic view, solid. Kita mo yung long stretch ng coastline from Bato hanggang Verac. So ikaw, kailan ka maglalantad ng tunay mong kulay? Charot. So go na sa Mount Lantad. This is your sign. See ya!